Showers will impact central Valencia, north-central Socorro and Bernalillo counties through 8:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 7:46 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking gusty showers along the Sandia and Marzano Mountains, producing strong easterly winds. Hazard: east wind gusts up to 57 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include Albuquerque, Los Lunas, Bowen, Valencia, Los Ranchos de Albuquerque, Bosque Farms, Rio Communities North, Paradise Hills, Jorales, and Los Trujillos Cabalden. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 144 and 166. Interstate 25 between mile markers 175 and 233. Highway 60 between mile markers 166 and 181. Blowing dust can reduce visibilities below 1/4 mile at times. Forecast for the